guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary. Today's video is so exciting. I can hardly cope. I've had these products for maybe about 2 weeks. When the brand reached out to me to get the sneak peek, I did not know what it was, and I was just like, when I seen it, I was like, oh my God. So you guys know I love this brand so much. I'm not sure why I'm saying this brand. You can probably tell from the title what it's about, but obviously I need to give like a little build up or something. So honestly, I've had these products for a moment and it's just been too much. So long and behold, Fenty Beauty has released the Snap Shadows. Like, how cute are these guys? How cute. I've actually got 3 with me, so I'm gonna get into the colors in a moment. So basically, Fenty invited me down. They said I had a really cute like sneak release peek. I couldn't speak anything about it until they given me like the date to release it. So when this goes up, I'll actually be in Amsterdam, and yeah. So I'm gonna be away for my birthday because it actually gets released one day before my birthday, which is the 17th, which I'm correct, it's either the 17th or on my birthday. I just remember it's one of those dates. So I'll be in Amsterdam while this video gets released. I'm super excited that Fenty gave me the honor of seeing this product before anyone else. I got that sneak peek. Rihanna, you know, thank you, bitch, thank you. Okay. So when I seen it, I was just so shocked. These palettes are, as I said before, around 21 to 23 pounds, and some of the colors were out there, but I chose the colors that I liked the most. There was some greens, there was some quite colorful palettes, so I think there's a palette for everyone. If you guys want to see what colors I chose, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first palette we have is actually called For Rose. This is a really pretty palette. It's giving you like a rose gold moment, a pink moment, a bright fuchsia moment. This palette will be amazing in the summer, like spring, and give me that kind of vibe. And here are some swatches here. So the swatches are really nice in this palette. My favorite color is actually the rose gold and the kind of like burnt copper color. Like, I think this color would work on so many skin tones, but if you want to make it a bit deep, I think you would have to use like a brown or like a black to make it a bit deeper, but it has got a taupey brown in here also. The palette we have here is called 3 Deep Neutrals. So this is like one of my favorite palettes ever. As you can see, we've got like a burgundy color, a orange, a kind of coppery color. We've got like, again, another like orangey bronze. This cotton palette is just so pretty. It's just very wearable. This would be amazing for obviously anyone deeper skin tones. I think all palettes will, but this one is just so nice for creating that kind of like smoky, sexy kind of coppery look. This is like one of my favorite. I think it is the favorite palette I actually saw. I can't remember, but this really caught my eye, and it's just so affordable as well. Okay, so the final palette I chose, which I have here, this one's called 6 Smoky, and there's a reason why it's called Smoky. This is what it looks like here. Super nice colors. You've got a black, you've got kind of that kind of iridescent black, and you've got like a more purpley mauve color. The colors are very cool tones, but guys, the black in this palette is it's probably one of the deepest blacks I've seen in a palette for a while. I think the deepest black I've ever seen in a palette was probably the Huda Beauty one, but this is black. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's so gorge. When I seen the palettes, I was kind of impressed because I'm not gonna lie, the Moroccan Spice palette didn't really tickle my fancy. It didn't have enough deeper colors in there for you to create depth if you were a deeper skin tone, which I was kind of surprised about for Rihanna's first palette. But I do feel like that palette was just, you know, brought out and then people kind of forgot about it. So I'm hoping, you know what, people love a mini eyeshadow palette at the moment. Like, everyone's bringing out minis, and I feel like everyone wants something that they can bring to work, put in their bag, have on the run, keep in their car, and I feel like these palettes are so perfect. I just love the way you can snap these together to make them create like, you know, a kind of mini moment. I just love it. I'm actually gonna use just one of them because I feel like it's best to just showcase one of them, and if you guys want me to do more looks with the other palettes, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll probably do that anyway. I'm just going to choose my favorite palettes to do a look with, just because, you know, that's the whole reason of the palette. But obviously, if you want to, you can buy 2 and snap them together and create like a full palette if you want to buy that. But obviously, if you want to see the look, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to use my favorite palette, which is the 3 Deep Neutrals, which looks like this. Such a beautiful palette. It's got really nice nudes in there. I'm gonna go in with this shade first, which is called Nudie Beauty. Then I'm gonna go with the orange color, which is called Be By a Freak. I love the names. Fenty always kills it with the names. I'm actually gonna go in with this brush first, which reminds me of 217, and just stamp it. I'm hoping these colors show up because, you know, I keep forgetting it has a mirror as well, which is so handy. this color is kind of like really taupey on me. It's really close to my skin tone, so it's cute or whatever. It's cute. Anyway, I hope you guys are really excited to see these palettes because these palettes are gonna sell out like crazy. You guys know anything that Rihanna puts her name to, it just goes crazy. So now I'm gonna take a doll beauty brush. These are quite new, which I got because I don't have one of those from Fenty. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Fire Freak and then blend this into the crease. Like just backwards and forwards. Like, how perfect these come out before like Christmas as well. I was thinking, is this like gonna be Rihanna's like last release before the like new year? Because I thought the Trophy Wife collection was gonna be her last collection. But also, how epic was Trophy Wife, please? I actually love the glass. It's so gorgeous. I feel like we were long overdue Trophy Wife. I feel like Rihanna, yeah, she needs to bring out like a whole collection of like 50 gloss bombs. Am I right? Or am I not? Okay, so I'm then gonna go in with this purple shade, which is called Shots Fired. The names are so funny. So it's this shade here, which is so gorgeous. And then I'm gonna take that really thin, precise brush that looks like a 217, which is called a 230 blending brush, and literally just stamp it like on the corners here, because I want some depth. I keep forgetting there's a mirror, that's why I keep looking in my mirror. This purple is nice. I really love the colors are like really pigmented, but like not overly like crazy pigmented. So like they're really like customer friendly, and like there's not hardly any fallout, which is obviously a plus as well. Okay, so I'm literally gonna go into No Fudge Given. These names are so on brand, which is this brown here. So gorgeous. I'm actually gonna stamp this on like here to give my eye a bit of depth. You guys know I love a smoky eye. Can you guys believe it's actually almost Christmas? It's actually almost like 2020, which is kind of like scary to me. Like it's a tiny bit mad. Like I don't think I'm ready for the new year. I'm gonna use this precise brush to pull it in the crease just so I can get a bit of more definition. But yeah, my birthday's actually next, is it next Thursday? Next Wednesday, I think it's the 18th. So it's a big birthday for me. Oh my god, I just can't believe I'm turning 30. Like, what the hell? I feel so old, but at the same time, I'm obviously gonna be like thankful for like life and stuff and just actually making this milestone, but it's just so scary to me. This color is so nice, so pretty. So guys, I cut my crease. I just used actually a Makeup Forever cut crease canvas, which is this one here. It's my first time using it. It's actually so easy to create the cut crease. It was actually really nice to use. So I think I'm gonna go from like light to dark. So I'm gonna use these two colors here, these two bronzes, to put in the corner of my eye, just to see if we can create like a kind of like ombre sparkle moment. As I did say, I want to use all the palette, so I'm going to take this thin brush and ooh, there's a bit of kickback in the palette, a tiny bit there. It might be the brush, but I'm literally gonna press this on like that. Oh bitch. Ooh, I am getting my life. Can you guys see that? Oh, what's this shade called? This shade is called Heaven Sent. Like cents, but like 50 cent. Now these names are making me dead. Okay, so I'm now gonna go in with the bronzy shade, which is this one here, and this one's called Smash or Pass. So I'm not even sure why I'm dying. I feel like I'm still a bit drunk from last night. So guys, I went out yesterday for my friends. My friends threw me like a surprise kind of like shindig, and they got me a cake and got me a Versace robe. It was so cute. Oh my, I just thought, when I'm thinking about it now, I just think I've got such lovely friends. So I'm actually gonna press this on. This bronze is beautiful. Right down my street. It reminds me of an eyeliner I use by the K called Double Definition, but like in a eyeshadow version. It's so pretty. So I'm literally laying that on here. So guys, this is the look. I'm actually just loving the cut crease kind of blend of shadows. The shadows blend like a damn dream. I'm gonna throw in some liner and we can get this look wrapped. So hey guys, I'm back. I did my skin off camera just because my skin looks kind of good on camera. Okay. Is that what we're doing? So I didn't do my skin on camera just because you guys seen me do foundation so many times, but I've started using like 2 new different foundations. I've been using the NARS Radiant Longwear, which I haven't used for ages, and I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I think together they look so gorgeous on. You guys love it. Obviously I'm gonna highlight and stuff, so I'm gonna do the bottom waterline. I'm gonna take Smash or Pass, and no, these are confusing. I'm gonna take Shots Fired and No Fudge Given on the waterline, like Disbelief. I'm gonna take the brown one first, which is this shade, and then a smudge under the eye. I'm really impressed with the way this look came out. I feel like when you add lashes, this brush is really good for smudging, by the way. I feel like when you add lashes, it just like kind of amplifies the look. Again, when this video comes out, I'll be in Amsterdam, so definitely follow me on the gram. You know, you guys love the gram. So to find out what I get up to and what I really do, because my birthday's on the 18th, which I said before. But yeah, I kind of really like this color. Okay, so guys, the look is almost complete. I'm actually going to take our eyeliner because I feel like the look looks a tiny bit dead without it. So I'm going to take this NARS eyeliner, and this is called, it's the High Pigment Longwear eyeliner in the, what's the name of it? I think it's called Broadway. That's the only name I can see. So I'm going to put that in the waterline. So guys, I'm going to do a bit of lip liner. So I'm going to take Limitless Brown. Line the lips. Then I'm gonna take Huda Beauty's Board Meeting. This lipstick is a bit like, it's a bit destroyed because it's just been going everywhere. So put that on. My lips are so dry. My lips are so, oh my god, look how chalky my lips are. Hold on. I'm gonna put on the Fenty Beauty in Trophy Wife. So guys, this is the finished look. So guys, I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. Everything looks so bomb. What I really like as well is I just used the palette. I didn't have to dip into any other palettes. It's super robot. You don't need a black to make everything intense. Even though I like the palette with the black in it, I feel like this one is my favorite palette. I just love these kind of tones. Perfect for autumn. You know, it just really pops in my eye color. It'll pop on any kind of eye color, and I just love it. Like, what do you guys think of the look? Obviously, if you guys want me to do like another video using the other palettes, I can totally do that. Just comment down below. I can't really confirm when they come out. I know it's definitely before Christmas, but I don't have a press release because when this video goes out, I'll be in Amsterdam, so I definitely can add it to the comment section. I just think it looks so pretty, and the gloss looks, you know, on fleek. I'm gonna go. This video is done. Don't forget to send me some birthday love, and obviously don't forget to subscribe, like, and show some love in this video, and I shall see you in my next one, guys. Bye.